What is up, you freaks? Happy Valentine's Day. Right around the corner, a couple of days from now. So in honor of all the great activities that are going to be happening that night all over the world, we're going to do a penis pasta. That's right. This is what they look like. Little fucking knob here. I don't know, those are pretty big testicles for the size of that thing. We got a crooked shaft. Quite a nice little bell end up there. Not bad. Not bad at all. So you're going to need 2 garlic cloves, sliced really thin, olive oil, some basil leaves, just 4 or 5 of them. Throw them in there just to make it smell good. 1 chili pepper. I'm going to just cut that up, leave the seeds in it. Some baby Bella shrooms, sliced up. 10 fucking ounces of the penis pasta. At the very end, you're also going to add a little bit of Alfredo sauce. That's the climax. That's what makes this whole thing come together. Got the fucking garlic up, and we got the red hot chili pepper up. There's a lot of seeds in here, and I just ate one, so it's really fucking hot. And here's the leaves, the basils. Here's your little dick, little penis. We'll try to get this to stand up here. It's not going to stand up. Alright, so we'll get the pasta boiling here. Put a little salt, fucking oil. Spread that cocksucker around a little bit. And once the oil starts to get a little action going, starts to get a little popping and shit, put your fucking mushrooms in. He's going to go for 3 minutes. You really don't need much olive oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. So after 3 minutes, bring it up to about a medium-high, medium heat. I got the fucking pepper in my fucking eye, and it's driving me crazy. Malone. The penises do get bigger when they're boiling, so you don't got to worry about size. It's not an issue. You're waiting for these mushrooms to get a little more browned on the inside and out. I know they're fucking portobello, so they always look brown, but you got to have some patience here. And so it's been about 3 minutes. We're going to add garlic and the peppers. They make the whole kitchen smell good. Here's the last little penis. Alright, time to strain this. Down to low heat. Just about a cup of the Alfredo. You'll see what we're going to do with that in a minute. Yeah, just going to stir it up. Make sure the oil and everything is all mixed in good. Fucking pepper on it. Final step. It's the best part. You're going to get a pastry icing bag. The one it comes with is probably good. There's a lot of different fittings, and all you're going to do is go with the standard one. Load the Alfredo right in. Ah, you fucking moron. Didn't take long for that. Idiot. Use your fucking head. Make sure the thing's open. Try to get it in. Get your Alfredo. Look who's here. All right, you came for the best part, Bruce. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. It's a fucking mess. But that's how you do it. Now we've jizzed all over the thing. I probably should drink a little bit less when I'm doing this. Can't eat pasta without bread. At least I can't. Maybe some of you can. Since really jizzed on the top, it's not like you're eating an Alfredo. It's like you're eating a spicy mushroom fucking pasta. We'll give a little dick to the cat. What do you think? No, you're not getting my bread. It's too much carbs. Happy Valentine's Day, you fucking bastards.